Here's the most annoying part about building credit as a young person. You need to have credit established in order to get approved for a line of credit. But how do you go about getting that first line of credit that allows for everything else? Well, in this video, I'll be sharing the exact strategy that I followed to start building credit as a young person, starting from my 18th birthday. But for starters here, let's talk about what a credit score actually is and why it's important. Simply put, a credit score is a number that shows how likely you are to pay back borrowed money. It's based on a lot of things like your past loans, your credit card usage, and whether or not you've paid your bills on time. A higher score indicates that you are more trustworthy to lenders, while a lower score is going to indicate that you are more risky to loan money to. You can think of your credit score like a report card. It's going to show whether you got an A, maybe a B-, or possibly a D or an F. But instead of letters, it's a numerical score ranging from 300 to 850. And as a young person, you start out with no credit whatsoever, which can be both a good thing and a bad thing. On the plus side, you have a clean slate to work with. But on the flip side, getting someone to loan you money when you have no record of borrowing before is a bit of a challenge. So that's what a credit score is, but why do you actually have to care about this? For better or worse, your credit score is going to impact numerous important areas of your life, especially those that impact your wallet. For starters, your ability to buy a house or even get approved for a rental is going to be heavily dependent on your credit score. In addition, your auto insurance cost, medical cost, credit interest rate, and all loans across the board will be more costly with bad or no credit. So to put things simply, building credit as a young person is absolutely essential if you want to avoid paying a lot more for things. Now that we understand how important credit is, let's now talk about how to go about establishing credit as a young person. For me, when I turned 18 years old, I started out by getting a secured credit card from my bank. What I had to do was set aside $500 into a CD or certificate of deposit, and this became my line of credit. Now, if I used the line of credit and paid it off in time, I would help my credit score with each on-time payment, and if I didn't end up paying back my line of credit, the bank had the authority to collect my $500 deposit as collateral on the loan. So this made it absolutely risk-free for the bank, and it allowed me to build my credit in the process, making these a really solid option. A secured line of credit is a great way to build credit, but today there's an even easier way to do this, and that's why I'm excited to tell you about our video sponsor, Kickoff. If you're struggling with low credit or even no credit, Kickoff can be a great credit hack. Kickoff is a credit building tool that helps you build credit safely and easily with affordable monthly plans designed to quickly improve key credit factors. It's the #1 credit building app on the App Store, and it has been praised by Credit Karma and NerdWallet as a smart way to build credit fast. Here's how it works. You can click the link below and sign up in minutes with no credit check, no interest, and no hidden fees. The affordable plans start at just $5 a month, which are specifically designed to improve key credit factors, including positive payment history and lower utilization. On-time payments to Kickoff, which is easy with auto pay, automatically get reported to all 3 credit bureaus to improve key credit factors. This makes Kickoff a highly effective option for people with a credit score under 600 who are looking to build their credit, and on average, these users increased their credit by 84 points in their first year. Kickoff is giving my audience 80% off your first month. That's as low as $1 for your first month with the discount. So click the link in my description to get that offer now. Kickoff has already helped over 1 million customers and counting with a 4.9 star rating in the iOS store across more than 125,000 reviews. Now guys, while a secured credit card is a good option for getting your credit established, another route that some will follow is getting a store credit card. These retail credit cards often have lower requirements in order to get approved, but just make sure you don't fall into the trap here of overspending. If you end up getting a $1,000 Best Buy credit card, for example, you might be enticed to go shopping there more often. So these store credit cards can be a viable option, but they are not for everyone because of that spending factor. For me personally, building credit as a young person came down to following a disciplined approach with my spending. After getting approved for my secured credit card on my 18th birthday, I used the card to purchase gas only, and then I paid off the balance in full every month. This allowed me to build credit while also not paying a single penny in interest to the bank, and it also allowed me to avoid that overspending factor. So my tip here for you is to pick a method for establishing your credit and then follow a very disciplined approach with that. That's going to wrap things up here for me, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you made it to the very end of the video, make sure you drop a like as well as subscribe and hit the bell for future notifications. Don't forget to click the sponsored link down below to get 80% off your first month of Kickoff. You can click below to watch my latest video, and I hope to see you there.